GME stock analysis and GME stock prediction. This is for tomorrow and onward, mainly Monday. I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and all that good jazz, and I'm the only guy in this space with 42,000 videos over 5 years. So I've personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with GME, with a 1.2% correction mate, I'm open-minded for longs, but it will not work this way where I just immediately start buying, if you know what I mean. Yes, this whole thing is a good demand, and more so just move it a little bit up, because unless there's the confirmation, and if it doesn't break, then bro, I'm not going to be buying. Okay, so that's how GME is looking like. And pop up here, you will see I have like 43 results. Bro, there's really like nothing else that I'll be buying here unless the price gives me the rules. So if you want the exclusive sauce and see like what I've learned over 5 years, 1,276 people have already gotten the exclusive sauce, and it expires soon. Click the first link below. It's juicy.